Hello from Jomtien Beach. In today's video I'm going to show you the famous beach area and attraction and places to visit in Jomtien. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You can subscribe here. Centra by Centara Maris Resort Jomtien is a very nice resort in Jomtien. I also made a separate video about this resort. You can find the link up or in my video description. Jomtien Beach is a famous beach for expats and tourists who are tired of Pattaya crowds and traffic. Jomtien Beach is about 165 km southeast of Bangkok in Cenvaree province, and it is about 3 km south of Pattaya, and it's a home to high-rise condominiums, beachside hotels, beaches, and many famous restaurants. I'm on Jomtien Beach. It's very quiet, not many people here. You can see, very quiet and very peaceful here. Jomtien Beach is only 3 kilometers down from Pattaya Beach. Jomtien is highly recommended to those who seek a quieter resort, as it's also a quieter and more relaxing than Pattaya Beach. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more. Cheers. Thank you so much. The big night market in Jomtien is the only night market in Jomtien area. You can find the market just few steps from the beach, and there are many food stalls. You can find the food and you can enjoy your evening. Alexa Beach Club or Cafe is a very nice cafe in Jomtien Beach. If you want to see the more about this cafe, I also made the separate video. You can find the link up or in my video description. City Coffee Pattaya is a very nice cafe in Pattaya Beach. If you want to see more about this cafe, I also made the separate video. You can find the link up or in my video description. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I will keep you posted about Thailand. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.